Finding the perfect grid is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The inner perimeter is the most important measurement. Begin by measuring the dimensions of your sink. The only requirement is a tape measure. Locate the length and width using your measuring device. Provide adequate space to ensure effective installation. There are 3 distinct varieties of drains: center, rear, and side. And 3 unique sizes of sinks: 3.5, 1.5, and 0. Installation has never been more easy or innovative. Discover a new kind of versatility with your all-new grid. VIGO. Designed in New York.